Hi everyone, today we're going to make an animation using Cartoon Animator 4 application. So after you download and install the program in your laptop, and if you open it, you will see this interface. And you can see over here there is a create media menu in the left side. You can click and choose prop and choose the background that you have already prepared before. It must be a JPG file, okay, and then open it. So I got this background from Google, so you can just googling it and save it in your laptop and import your background here in the application. We can adjust the background size to meet the frame of this Cartoon Animator 4 frame. Just click in the corner and drag it, and it can be zoomed in or zoomed out, something like this. Okay, after that we can add character. We can choose from the prepared character here in the actor menu in the right side and choose character. You can choose any characters you want. So Cartoon Animator 4 have already prepared some characters with bones. We can choose any of them, but in this case today I want to use another character. So Big Review channel provide this character, and I will use this character today. So here in the left side you can see create character menu. We can click it and choose characters outside of the animator, and I have parrot green flying PSD. I will use this one. So this character have already had some bones, so it is ready to use characters. Thank you for Big Review channel for providing this character. Alright, because it already has its bones, the complex one like this, so we can use it directly. Choose file and backstage, and it will bring you to the previous interface. I want to make it smaller. Just click on your character and you can zoom in and zoom out using any corner. You can choose the corner and drag it, okay? And I want to make it rotate, so in the upper side you will see horizontal flip menu. You can click it and your bird can change its direction. I want to put it over there, so I want to make my bird fly from the far place and then come nearer to me. After that I will give animation in the right side and choose motion, and then choose the ones for wings and choose any wings you want. In this case I will use bird's wings, this one. Drag it, okay, and place it in the character like this, so the bird's wings will move. Okay, and then we can drag the bird to any position, to its final position, I mean, like this. So it will fly and come to the stone and will be larger, so looks like coming from far place and become nearer to us, something like this. Okay, so if you want to play, you can click the play or pause space button in the bottom side here. I'm sorry. Okay, so we can drag the timeline here and play. Okay, like that. Cool. After this, I want to make my bird become invisible after it reach the stone. Okay, so we'll choose this one, show timeline menu in the button of the application, and it's going to be like this. And I choose visible, and I click the right button of my mouse here and choose visible or invisible. So it will be invisible like that. One more time, visible or invisible. Okay, perfect. So let's replay. So it will fly, and it's too long because my visible invisible place is wrong. Then click again in the same dot and choose visible invisible. Okay, let's replay it. Good, perfect. When the bird invisible, I want to add another bird, so will looks like the same bird while actually there are two birds. So I choose this create character menu one more time and choose another parrot character that is standing on the stone. Okay, because it is also a ready to use character, we can just close the interface here, and you can see it already has complex bones and ready to use. So just click file and backstage and come back to the previous interface of the application. Okay, like this. So I want to place it on the stone like this. Adjust the size. Okay, and choose the visible button over here and click on the right button of your mouse, choose visible or invisible. Okay, one more time, visible or invisible. Okay, so I make my second parrot become invisible in this part until this part. Okay, and then after that it's going to be visible after it stand on the stone. Okay, you can see here my first flying parrot disappear, and then my second parrot come. So it look like the first parrot change its direction, but actually they are different parrots. Right, after that I want to make it moves its wings. Okay, so click on your parrot and choose here the 2D motion key editor in the button left of the application, and the dialog box will appear like this. Okay, let's place it here. We can choose which bone we want to move. For example, the arm bone, the right arm, and then you can drag your right arm of the bird. The right arm of the bird you can drag to make it move, and then the left arm choose in the 2D motion key editor box and come back to your bird. Okay, move it a little bit like this, and then also you can move the tail. Okay, the tail or the head of your bird, move it a little bit. Okay, and then we can drag the timeline. So after moves, it will not move, and it will move again after a while. Choose the right arm in the box and come back to your character and moves it a little bit, and the left arm do the same thing like this, and then choose the tails bone. Okay, Move it a little bit. Okay, good. And drag the timeline one more time. Choose the right arm in the box. Come to your bird and move it a little bit. Come to the left arm in the box. Come back to your bird and move it a little bit. Yeah, just repeat this step sometimes. Okay, so when it stands on the stone, it will move. Okay, if you want to add many more, that's okay. Looks more natural, right? Yeah, like that. Okay, good. Click set key and close the box. Okay, the next step, I want to make the mouth of my bird sing. So I will choose here the face puppet menu in the bottom left of the application. Click it and the face puppet box will appear, and then click record. Okay, bring it to the mouth and press space for some time and then stop, press space again, and yeah, it's finished. Close it, and you will see in the timeline you can choose face, and there is a voice clip menu, right? Click the voice clip and you can choose any time you want to add audio. For example, when the bird starts standing on the stone, I will make it sing. Here, click in the voice clip, your right button of the mouse, click import and choose the MP3 audio that you have prepared before. Okay, I got it from Google too. Okay, finish. You can see, hear it, right? So when the voice come out, the mouth of my bird also moves, right? Okay, I want to finish here. So every step has done already. If you want to make the bird fly again, just give it animation. Okay, so I think that's all the basic tutorial. You can add more character by clicking here the create character button, right? You can add more animation as before, and you can add more voice clip. You also can add more 2D motion key editor to give your bird some motion, additional motion. Okay, and if you want to export your video, you can click here render menu in the upper side of your application and then render video, and you can choose any range. For example, if I want to render the video start from when the bird fly and sing, so it will be 1 until 100. It's shown here, right? Okay, so here render, choose range and then 1 until 100 and then export. So actually I used the trial version. If we use the trial version, it is free. We do not need to purchase, but in the result we will see some watermarks, but I think that's okay because we want to learn. Okay, and the watermark is not really disturbing, so Let's use the trial version first. Click continue. Okay, I will show you how my final video after I add one more character and some motion. Let's see.